Bill Travers from Sarasota Communities Real Estate. Today we're in East County. We're going to visit Worthington. Worthington is a single-family neighborhood in East County, Sarasota. Originally developed in 2018, this community will accommodate a total of 160 new homes. There are 2 national builders, each with 1 collection, and collectively there are 12 floor plans. Interior square footage ranges from 2,100 square feet to 4,000. A great assortment of architectural styles are available, such as Craftsman, Mediterranean, Florida Traditional, and Coastal West Indies. All homes have tile roofs and block construction with offerings of a ranch or 2-story floor plans. Prices can start from the $367 mark and exceed into the $800s. The Worthington homes have included in their Home Owners Association a nominal $130 a month charge. This includes irrigation, community park, and it is private and gated. There is no CDD in Worthington. In addition, there are walking trails along the whole perimeter of the community. These trails nicely meander around wetlands and private areas bordering the community. Premiums start at $0 and can range upwards of $80,000. This is a quaint pocket community of approximately 160 homes located in the quiet East County of Sarasota. A community this size doesn't sit quiet for long, so contact Bill Travers at Sarasota Communities Real Estate for an exclusive tour and to seize your opportunity for a new home in Worthington.